Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the PUBG Mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG Mobile game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in with Google, Facebook, as well as your phone and email option. Now you have all of these options to log into your account, and you can also log in using your Twitter account by tapping on More. Here you will have the option to also log in as guest. Now you can choose on any of these methods that you used previously while signing up for your account. Tap on your preferred login method and then you can click on the Continue As button or log in using your credentials. Once you enter your credentials or click on the Continue As button from your respective account, you will be logged back into your PUBG Mobile game account and all of your previous saved progress will return back as well. And now you can start enjoying the PUBG game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the PUBG game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.